Good morning and happy Friday to you. I hope everybody had an opportunity to get outside yesterday. We are doing a great job getting it looks like our Simple Machines projects and giving you that extra day. I'm noticing that if I look in my grade book that we're still kind of struggling with our language arts department here. So as we go through the schedule today, I want you to make sure that you are taking time to go through and look at those assignments that you are missing. So let's talk math first for today. We are on tank volume in the student book. So you're going to be looking at the student book page 240 today and doing tank volume. And then there's a puzzle piece that goes with this. Make sure that you complete that puzzle piece. And then you're going to move on to, so before you move on to page 242 to 244, you're going to complete that puzzle piece that goes along with your student book page 240. Once you are done with that, you'll move into the 242 to 244. You're going to watch Miss Goldanowski's instructional video, and then you'll submit that assignment once you are done with that. And you will find that in May 22nd. Oops, I will correct that. For reading today, you are hopefully completed. I gave you an extra day for Woods Runner as well, so hopefully everybody has completed Woods Runner, and we get to celebrate today by meeting at 11 o'clock and discussing the book, which I'm very excited about. I would like you to complete the end of book essay before you come to the 11 o'clock meeting. So please, when you wake up this morning, try to prioritize so that you have that finished and completed before coming to that 11 o'clock meeting. Let's say, for example, that you do not get that finished. I would like you to join us at that meeting anyway. Again, I will be taking attendance. You'll see that in the Woods Runner folder, there is an assignment for an end of book essay. You're only going to choose one of the 3 essay questions to submit. So please only do one. Make sure you look at all 3 of them first so you can choose which one you feel most comfortable responding to. And then, like I said, bring that answer with you at the live meeting at 11 o'clock today. Again, there's no new learning for that skills lesson. The literature assessment that you started yesterday, I want you to continue working on that and make sure that you finish that assessment today. Note that next week we will be completing a lot of assessments, so I really want you to take your time and work through the assessment that's given to you in language arts, because we do have another one coming up next week. Notice how you'll find that in yesterday's folder. So I updated that so that it doesn't say May 22nd, because you're going to find that black blizzard in May 21st folder. Today is your last day to write in that journal. So make sure that you do a nice job and you get all 3 of your journal entries completed. If you feel like you don't have enough because you missed a few days here and there, you can feel free to do that next week as well. Social studies, again, expect to do that next week. There's no new learning this week for social studies because we were heavy on the science this week. And I did notice that you are doing your Flipgrids, but a lot of you did not do a respond to 5. So I want to show you that really quickly. So in Flipgrid, the directions, you were supposed to go to the May 20th Simple Machines project. You needed to have your script ready, and you needed to practice recording, and then you needed to record yourself. But if you looked at number 4, it also said you had to respond to at least 5 different people and reflect by giving them a strength and something to think about changing for next time. So as I look down, I'm noticing that some people are heavy on the views, and some people, it looks like we didn't have anybody view theirs. So if you could go back and look at, and if you didn't complete your 5, then I would like you to do that, please, now that everybody's had an opportunity to upload their assignment. If you still have not uploaded your assignment, I'm going to need you to do that. I'm giving you an extra day to do that. And whatever you don't complete now, remember, boys and girls, you're going to be completing that the last week of school. And then also, Mrs. Olson has to decide who is going to be attending summer school based on the data. and you turning your assignments in. So please make sure that you are completing your work. It's very important. Lastly, my office hours, as always, or have been this week, office hours are going to stay at that 11 o'clock time, or 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, and then we'll meet right away at 11 o'clock to share out Woods Runner questions. So I will see you today at 11 o'clock. And again, thank you to those of you that have been joining me at my office hours. I appreciate you. I know some of you have questions, but I still haven't seen your faces in my office. So please do that, and so I can help you out a little better face to face.